Homo sapiens, which means wise man, is the scientific name given to present-day modern humans. According to the theory of evolution, modern humans acquired their current physical form only about 200,000 years ago, and before this, as the theory claims, all the ancestors of humans were inferior and primitive, with the earliest forms looking totally like apes. However, these evolutionary claims are scientifically invalid. Fossil record, archaeological findings, and genetic analysis reveal that even the most ancient humans were physically and cognitively similar to modern humans. Evolutionists also claim that all inferior ape-like human forms died out as new, more advanced forms emerged. Yet the oldest humans, Homo erectus, who lived 1.7 million years ago, were still found existing as recently as 10,000 years ago. Two skulls discovered from the Coast Swamp in Australia bear a significant resemblance to Homo erectus. The 3.6 million year old human footprints found in the Lethole region of northern Tanzania further prove that the foot structure and even the walking style of the earliest humans were completely identical to those of modern humans. But because accepting these truths would have dismantled the whole human evolutionary tree, they invented the lie that these footprints belonged to an ape-like hominin that had just learned to walk upright. Moreover, the discovery of a 7 million year old skull having modern features that were supposed to exist only 2 million years ago baffled evolutionary scientists as to where in the evolutionary tree it should now fit. Renowned anthropologist Bernard Wood admitted that this discovery could sink our current ideas about human evolution. All these scientific discoveries and many more completely shatter the basis of human evolution and support the fact that all human beings have always been fully human. They were capable of walking, talking, and building social order right from the very beginning. The racial diversity we see among today's human beings was present in the past human beings as well, and they all came from one fully formed male and female parents with variations already encoded in their genes. This scientific fact is also in complete harmony with the Quranic account of creation. In Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13, God says, O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing and well-acquainted.